You gotta have it. Meats and stuff are okay, but did you ever wonder how animal products get their nutrients? The same way we do, by absorbing and synthesizing the nutrients in the food that we eat. And somewhere down the line, a lot closer than you probably think, where do those nutrients come from? You guessed it.
Plants!
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 Plants give us all the nutrients we need to sustain a healthy body.
Energy for an active life!
They provide not only the cornerstones of a diet, but the extra vital macronutrients necessary to maintain the basic functions of the body.
Plants connect directly to the earth. They collect the minerals scattered in its soil. But this gold thing, it comes at a price. Immobility. But that's okay. Plants are thrifty. They get their energy and food from the sun. Go chasing down a rabbit for Mr. Bush back here. But what does happen? Mr. Rabbit chasing down the bush. Now some plants welcome the visitor and will prepare a little gift for the passerby. Want no solicitors and will ward any off with a foul odor or taste.
Evolution has molded them into master alchemists, and plants create a wide variety of chemical compounds to either attract or repel the creatures around them. Think of all the spices you know. As humans, we benefit not only from the stored nutrients, but the unique flavors, textures, and smells produced by these wonderful food plants. Vegetables, fruits, and their seeds are our main plant foods. Fruits are a ripened ovary and contain the seeds. Vegetables are all the other parts of the food plant. Tubers, roots, stems, and leaves. Cucumbers, those are generally referred to as vegetables too, because of their mild or non-sweet tastes.
Fruits are nature's advertised food product. Food made just for you. And they go through a lot of work to make something so sweet. Before the fruit comes the flower. Kind of an advertisement to larger animals for an upcoming show. And an invitation to pollination from insects in the area. The flower gets pregnant, the ovary wall grows, and then the fruit starts packing on the pounds, adding sugars and acids to its storage cells as it swells up. The seeds stowed away inside matured too, and they can't wait to get out of their parents' house. So do a seed a favor and eat a fruit.
Not all fruits are created equal. Not all fruits ripen on the tree. One of the more interesting subtropical plants is the avocado. The fruit from this tree, unlike most fruits, contains little or no starch or sugar content. Its leaves and not the fruit is aromatic, and it waits until it's either picked or dropped from the tree to ripen. It's a great topping for a salad or a pizza, and makes a great base for a dip. One of my favorite vegetables, and a go-to for antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, is spinach. Dark pigments usually indicate an abundance of antioxidants, not only in leaves, but in fruits too. They act as a sunscreen for the plant, protecting the chlorophyll inside and letting it do its magic. Spinach is really easy to grow, and it makes a great bed for some choice fruits and a warm vinaigrette. So what else do we need in our diet? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are an easy find in the plant kingdom. Cereal, grains, rice, and pasta, along with potatoes, corn, and beans, provide us enough starch to convert to energy. They also contain different amino acids that, when combined correctly, give us a full protein palette. Cooking cereals and pastas is easy. They don't require constant attention, and their mild flavor leaves the chef open with a wide variety of taste modifications. I like to go with oats. And sure, dried fruits and honey do it right, but who says you have to go sweet? A little garlic, some cheese, please. The other great source of carbs is in straight sugars, and that's where the juicy fruits come in. Bananas, apples, oranges, kiwis, guavas. And with their range of bright and deep colors, you know they're packing lots of phytochemicals and vitamins. What a great snack. And speaking of snacks, that's all you need when it comes to proteins and fat. A handful of nuts here and there, maybe with some dark chocolate. We're talking muscles, man.
Owe a lot to plants. In fact, the world as we know it today wouldn't even be the same if it weren't for them. They provide us with everything our body needs, naturally. No harmful additives or unbeneficial processing techniques to strip nutrients away. And plants put a lot of hard work into making healthy meals for us, so don't turn your back on them. Make it a habit of making your own dinners, focusing on plant foods. Try to limit your intake of animal products and those inferior processed foods. And look to plants for healthy snacks on the go, because fast doesn't need to sacrifice fresh. Open the doors to great taste and improved health with plants.
And then my third wife, she says, get this, she says, I didn't sign up for this.